So folks, we've just about caught our breath after that first half main event. And we are, I don't want to say treated to, but we are graced with the presence of Mark Trew. Mark Trew, early in his career already, but making an impression here at Ignite Wrestling Pro. He had not one but 2 shots at the breakout division. He didn't make it through the first round. He was given a second chance, but then didn't make it through the final. Oh.
So I think we get that spectacular T1 that in, so I can knock him out.
And what a debut for one Mr. Spectacular, Charles Crowley. A man who has made waves this past year. And more people and more places are bowing down to the Spectacular One. And it's great to be able to welcome Charles Crowley to Ignite Wrestling Pro. This is a young man I know very well indeed. A man who is known well to many members of the roster. He has had many wars with CJ Carter in the past. And potentially the biggest export from the Square One Academy under the tutelage of Paul Ash. But anyway, while the crowd dies down from having their fun, I think Crowley having some fun, as is tradition for Crowley.
Spectacular!
And it seems Trew wanting to take this match at his own pace.
Are you going to wrestle me or not? I'll take my time, mate. You shut up. I'll ignore it.
Trew says he wants to take his time, and that may not be the worst tactic with Charles Crowley. It is very easy to give Charles Crowley all the attention and put the spotlight on the spectacular one.
What is this? Come and see some magic. Come on. Magic.
I want to see some magic.
He's a spectacular trick. Like some dynamo stuff. Dynamo stuff. Dynamo magic. I love dynamo. I won't kick his hat, but I'll tell you, I know what trick you're going to do. You're just going to put your hand in there, pull some stupid little rabbit out, and I'm going to stomp its bloody little head in. I'm going to take this rabbit out, and I'm going to stomp this rabbit's head in.
Hey, Trew says he wants to do the trick himself. He reckons there's a rabbit in there. Oh, and Crowley pulling the punches out of the hat. And now pace picking up. Catch me if you can. Oh, another strong right jab off the jaw of Mark Trew. And as I was saying, folks, it's very easy for Crowley to hold the spotlight. Trew was doing all he could.
Oh, look at that. What? I've got you again. What do you mean you've got me?
Trew was trying to hold the spotlight for as long as possible, but ultimately Crowley spectacular for a reason. Oh, caught him. Deadlift into the suplex and just stalling with Mark Trew with one arm. Oh my goodness. Stalling vertical suplex from Charles Crowley. Trew kicking out at 2. Catches him. Oh, there's a flatliner into the Weasel's clutch. But able to escape is Mark Trew by applying the pressure to the shoulders, forcing Crowley to break the hold. Oh, and a slingshot spear from Trew. 1, 2. Kick out at 2. Big uppercut from Trew. Uh-oh. Trew really trying to get his way back into this match. Big kick to the spine. Trew doing just about anything he can right now to keep Crowley in that passenger seat and maintain control in this match. Wearing down the Spectacular One any way he can.
I wonder what else is in this hat. It's not your hat. Wait a minute. It's my hat. That is your hat. Surprise!
Oh, quick roll up. 1, 2. Crowley surprising Trew by having his own hat in the hat. Wait. Picks him up. Oh, vertical suplex. Kick out at 2.
That's it. I'm gonna finish this now. I'm gonna choke this silly sausage out.
Oh, Trew. It's a bold claim to make. Also telegraphing your plans. Crowley able to get back up to his feet, and look at that stun gun from Crowley. That breaks the hold. Oh, ducks one, but carousel kick connects. Forearm from Crowley. Trew fighting back, but Crowley has an answer for everything that Mark Trew's throwing at him right now. Pops him up. Wait, hands on his feet. Oh, another big forearm. Picks him up. And then merry-go down from Crowley. Springs up. Moonsault from Crowley. 1, 2. Oh. Kick out. And again, back into the Weasel's clutch. Crowley's got it locked in deep. Could be lights out. It was almost lights out for Mark Trew, but able to make the ropes. Trew though springs up. Oh, but wait. I think Mark Trew just caught Nick the ref. Mark Trew overshooting Crowley and catching Nick. Oh, and a big question mark kick right off the top.
That's it. I'm gonna knock you out.
Oh, and a flatliner. Weasel's clutch locked in. He's got it in again. Oh, and going for the mandible, but Trew's tapping. Trew's tapping. But referee Nick's still down. He didn't see it, folks.
Step right up. Step right up. Step right up.
And Crowley says step right up, springs up. Oh, he's looking for that springboard stunner.
Tap, you mug! Tap! You're spectacularly nothing! You mean nothing!
Sleeper hold locked in!
This is my place! Tap! Shut up! Tap!
Crowley fighting through this. Trew's trying to put the lights out, but Crowley refuses to go into the darkness. Oh, low blow from Trew. Oh, the Meteora to the back of the head. Meteora to the back of the head. and absolutely robbed. Not only did Mark Trew tap out to Charles Crowley, he hit him low below the belt. And a blindside attack, the Meteora to the back of the head. Mark Trew doing anything, not just to win, but to survive Charles Crowley. It's great to have Crowley here at Ignite Wrestling Pro, but Mark Trew, he will probably argue that it was an accident that he took out Nick the ref. But that allowed Mark Trew to tap out without having to give in the match. It allowed him to hit Crowley low.
I'm weak there. It's so big. Enjoy the show!
But great to have Crowley here at Ignite. Hopefully we see him back again.